What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Traded stocks and futures today. Nice little green day. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. I have two trades here for you today. And remember yesterday I told you I had bought some fish for my fish tank? Well, I bought some and they're hiding. So check out this picture. And that's one of the fish. The other one is hiding inside of one of the rocks. So once they stop being so shy, we'll go ahead and over there and record and show you guys a couple of them. Still have more fish I need, but for now we're just going to start off with those two and go from there. Now today I have two trades, like I said, and both of them are live recorded and very good lessons in these here. Today we're going to go over mental lessons, psychological lessons, which is the same thing as mental lessons, and these trades. Now, before we move any further, I do need one favor from you. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Tons of you guys have watched the video and you haven't subscribed. Just go ahead and do me that favor. Subscribe to the channel. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers so we can do that giveaway of the funded account. We're going to do a giveaway to one lucky subscriber once we reach 10,000 subscribers on the channel. And which is great because we just broke 5,000 subscribers last week and it was kind of like a resistance point. We broke it and then bam, we got a bunch of new subscribers right after that. So that was really cool to see, and it's kind of funny because you witness it on the charts. On the analytics chart. Now, today I have one futures trade and one stock trade, and we're going to go over both. And I'm trying to decide which one we should go over here. I'm thinking we should do the futures one first, but I also want to do the stock one. I think we're going to go ahead and do the futures one. Let's go ahead and jump into that futures trade right now. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the futures trade. Now, this is a very simple, straightforward trade, okay? What I want to show you here on this chart here is 2,700. You see this 2,700 right here? It was resistance throughout all of this, throughout here. It was previous support here, okay? That was 2,700 level. When we broke through that 2,700 level, I saw the opportunity for a quick scalp, and I really should have held on for the test of this area here. Which, well, I kind of do, but I should have held on for the break of it. But I only had one contract. Had I had two contracts, I would have taken one off here, held on to the rest to see if we can get up to 2708 area, which we do. So the plan was sound. It was a really good plan, and you'll see it here. I'm in 2775. I'm very confident we're going to hold that 2700 area. If we don't, if we break underneath 2,700, I was going to stop out. So I was just going to lose 3 ticks. That was going to be nothing, less than 50 bucks. Right there, I take it. Right in front of this pivot. Right in front of that pivot, I take it. I take it for 2 points. Right there, you see 27.75, and I take it off at 27.0275, and then boom. And it goes all the way up to 2708 before it dumps back down. So it was a very quick scalp. Ideally here, what I would have done was what I said. I would have sold one here for the scalp, held on to the other one looking for the test of 2708, but I didn't have two contracts. Then, did I just miss another bounce opportunity? Yeah, not really. Yes and no. Then I was eyeing this 2710 area for a bounce attempt. Because once again, 2710 right here was resistance here, and here, and support prior, and we came down one more time on this candle to test it, and it would have been a money play, because look at that, from 2710 area bounce all the way up here to 2738. No, I'm not going to say I would have held on to all that, but it would have been an easy 5 or 10 point grab. 5 or 10 point grab right there would have been very easy. Just let me move this here real quick. Just because here you see it, boom, bounce. I would have taken profit, and it would have been, one contract monster win right there. But wish I would have had. Well, I wish I would have taken the trade and with two contracts, because then I could have let one run. And that's the idea moving forward, whenever possible. So that was it on the futures trade. It was a very simple, very straightforward scalp play, and it worked out very nicely. You can see here my orders. Move this. Executed orders 2,775. Exit 2702.75 for a 2-point win, $100. Each point is $50. I did tweet a screenshot of all that as well. So let's see. The next play, it's actually Boeing. It's BA once again. We traded BA, and now BA, I was looking at this daily right here. This is today's candle, and I was looking at, when we broke over this bottom of this candle right here, 160 area, I was looking for it to hold support, and I was looking for a test, and as you can see, is the bottom of this candle, the top of this candle, and I was looking for a test of the bottom of this candle, which is 166 area. Okay, so 165, 166 area would have been my target, all off of the daily right there, just looking at those daily levels, and do have that trade here recorded live for you. Now let me grab the daily chart real quick, and let's go ahead and grab this actual live trade. Hey guys, as this opens up, before we continue further, check out the description section below if you want to get a free stock. There's a stock trading app there, a brokerage app called Free Trade. All you have to do is open up an account, not even fund it, and you get one free stock. It's free stock. Also, you have Webull. If you open up an account, fund it, you get 2 free stocks up to $1,400 in value. The person that referred me over to Free Trade actually had gotten Facebook as his free stock. I've gotten 2 free stocks so far, one from me, one from a referral, and both have been just like $2, $3 stocks. But hey, that's $5 so far, a little bit over $5. That's free money. That's like a McChickens at McDonald's. You got to think about it like that, guys. But maybe you got lucky and you get a real nice expensive stock. It's free anyways. You don't have to fund the account to get the free stock. Unlike Webull, you will have to fund it, but you do get 2 free stocks. And I've gotten some real nice stocks from them. So make sure you take advantage of that. Link in the description section below, along with the comment section below for those. Now on BA, like I showed you the levels off the daily, very simple trade. I wanted to show you on today's trade on BA that you don't need a whole lot of money. Yes, yesterday you saw me take a 100 share trade on it at $130.92. So it was a $13,000 position, okay? But it was a $13,000 position in Boeing, all right? I'm not about to generally take, like on a whim, a $13,000 position, maybe potentially on a low float small cap. Who am I kidding? I would take it, and I have traded it before. But the point is that it's all about the risk management. In that $13,000 position on a small cap low float, my risk is more than likely not going to be, like $100. It's just not. It's going to be a bigger risk position. But I'm looking at a huge potential win there, right? Typically. Unlike a scalper who would probably take that position and try to catch 5, 10, 7 cents, 15 cents and get out of the way, they're putting on huge risk to make $150. And yesterday you saw we took on very little risk and we made like about $250. Last week on Friday, the same thing. Or Thursday, was it Thursday? I don't remember. Last week we did the same thing. Now today, I'm showing you how to do it even with smaller size. This is a $547 position. Can you see it there? Let's bring this down a little bit. One contract, $547 position, okay? Very small risk, very small risk. This is a 165 strike with an expiration date of April 9th. I'm in at $5.47, and I'm looking, remember those daily levels? I'm looking for a test of that 165 area, okay? So now, very short trade. It's only about 3 minutes long. We've bounced off of that area that I mentioned earlier, right here in this 160 area, which was a daily level. And I'm looking for that 166, 165 area. VWAP is there, 9 EMA is creeping up, the standard drill. Now I'm looking for it to push up to new highs. We're looking to see if it can push up to new highs and make that quick move. There we go, new highs right there, okay? New highs right there. They're already going off at $6.80. I'm in from 547, okay? Next, okay, so next candle right here. It's about to open. There it goes. It opens up, and now we have 9 EMA crossing over VWAP. I'm looking to see, now let's get this thing going and let's get it cooking. But we get a quick little flash pullback here after that new high. You saw that new high? new high made, new high, bang, and then quick little flash pullback. I'm like, oh, why? Like, if you make a new high, I like to see a quick extension off of that, not just a quick little click, and then boom, all the way back down. You know, it's kind of harsh on the psyche. And if you're thinking that way, other traders that are in there might be thinking the same way. So you got to always keep that in mind, the psychological aspect of this all. And I put out an order at 660 on the limit right there, get filled, and actually get filled at 675. I'll show you that here in a second for a nice win from 542. You know, here we go. I'll show you that here. These are yesterday's trades, by the way. 547 entry, 675 exit. That's not bad with one contract. That's over 20% gain. So I put $547 on the line and I made over 20% gain on it. That's great. That's very good, low risk. And look at what happened after it made that new high. It made that new high and then it just came all the way back down here. And here we're at 154 now. So that was a perfect, perfect take profit zone. And all the levels were off of the daily. It's all about the levels. It's all about the levels. Now, patience. I've sat here today and I waited for my trades. I didn't allow FOMO to dictate and make me just jump in. I waited for my levels. I missed 2 trades on the futures prior to that one. I missed it just by a second. I looked away for a second, came back. I'm like, oh. But I didn't allow the FOMO to just make me jump in there. You know, I waited. I sat and waited. Sat and waited for my scalps on futures. Sat and waited for my BA options trade. Sitting and waiting was and always will be the discipline that I need in order to continue to be successful at trading. And that's what we all need. We need that discipline. It's essential. Discipline and patience is essential. Essential. Anybody can learn indicators and anybody can learn signals and anybody can learn how to trade off of levels. But if you don't have the discipline and the patience to wait for your entries and exits, it's detrimental. It really is. I've experienced it. So that was today's lesson. Waiting for those levels, not allowing like the FURU mentality that's out there that tells you, oh, you need big size to make $100. You know, you gotta have, 500 shares of any stock to make 20 cents and make $100. No, you don't. Why would you need 500 shares of an $8 stock that's moving $1 or $2 at a time to scalp a measly 20 cents? If you just want to make $100, you could easily grab 200 shares of that stock and grab a 50-cent move out of that easily. BA, I just showed you an options, very small risk. It's all about risk management. It's all about the setups, and it's not about chasing stocks like your FURU wants to show you, okay? It's about actual trading. I hope you guys were able to take some good out of this video. Let me know what you traded. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.